Hi everybody, it's me, Jara. Welcome to my channel. Everybody, this little cutie patootie bag right here is by Kipling. And this is a Kipling Beanie bag. This bag is a Barbie edition. So Kipling collaborated with a Mattel who makes Barbie. As you can see here, there's a Barbie tag right here. And it came with this little Barbie purse charm. But I took that off and replaced it with this pom-pom because this is really not, my style. But it's cute and I can see how a lot of people would like that. So here's the front of the bag, here's the side, the back, no pocket, the other side. So no outside pockets, silver hardware, this pretty pink that Kipling is calling lively pink, and it is very lively. The material is like a vinyl type of material. It's kind of shiny and it is so pretty, you guys. When the sun hits it, I had it sitting in the passenger seat when I was driving, and the sun came down and hit it. It was so pretty. It almost like sparkled. I swear to God, it seemed like it sparkled. It's so cute, you guys. So here's the bottom of it. So the inside, there's double zipper here. Can y'all see that? Open it up, and then this is what the inside of it looks like. I have this little baby packed. You hear me? Because this is a duffel style bag. It's kind of small, it's medium. But it holds all of my essentials and then some. So I like the shape of this duffel. So I guess I'll just start pulling out. There's a back zip pocket. Oh, and the lining of this bag, y'all, it is so cute. It has little Barbies of different races and stuff on the inside of it. It's so cute. I like that. So the back zipper part, I have my tissue holder. I have my little notebook. And then I have the little card that came with the bag. It looked like that. That's what it looked like. Kipling, Barbie, and Kipling. And then I have some hand sanitizers and some wet ones in here, y'all. Another wet one. Alright, so that is all that I had in the zipper pocket. Then I have my phone, fits in there. Then I have a bandana. Then I have my key fob to my car and my post office box key. And then I have my prescription sunglasses are here. These are my prescription regular glasses. And then I have my AirPods. The case looks like this. Then I have, this is my wallet by Lotus. And I did get this from TJ Maxx. I remember that. It's kind of old. And it just kind of like has like a corner zip action there. And I got a little bit of cash in there. Then I have my taser. It's right here. And then I have some of these Welch's fruit and yogurt snacks. I haven't tried these yet, so when I open this bag, it'll be my first time trying them. And this is the flavor strawberry. And then I have my cotton nail wipes are in here. I pull this out of every bag. I don't leave home without them. Then I have my cosmetic case. It looks like this clear case right here. And then I have my usuals, my bandages, lens wipes, some face cream, mascara, stuff like that. Then I'm gonna do this last. So here, the inside slip pocket, there's one inside slip pocket and two pen pockets. So I have my ink pen, I have my medicine, I have this hand cream by Bath and Body Works in strawberry pound cake, and then I have this lip gloss by Maybelline. It's a lifter, what does this say here, y'all? Lifter gloss by Maybelline. It look like this. It's a really, really pretty pink color. I really like these, you guys. I like how, let me say this. I like how the doe foot applicator is kind of fat and plumpy like. Y'all see that? I really like how it applies. And I'm wearing it right now. It's long wearing as well. A nice drugstore product right here by Maybelline. And then I have my Valentina Born in Roma travel size perfume spray. Okay. And what else? Some baby lips and I forget what this is called, y'all. Pink Punch or something like that. It look like that. And then I have there's something else at the bottom of this. My atomizer, and I put a little bit of Victoria's Secret Fresh Air body mist is in here. Okay, and then last but not least, I want to show you my pouch. This is the large creativity pouch. It looked like this. This also came with a Barbie charm hanging from it here, but I took it off because it's just not my style. So it's so cute, you guys. So in here, there's several different sections. You can probably see that here. And I have in the back section, I have a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Gloss. Liquid lipstick, that's what this is. And I really like it. And this is in the color number 410. And it looks like that. So pretty. And then I have some nail files, an emery board, whatever, a lighter. I have this Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips in this little cute little tin. Look like that. Oops. And then I have another perfume. This is Prada Candy Rollerball perfume. Look like that. I really like the way this rollerball looks, y'all, because the ball is gold. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a gold color. Oh man, that smells so good. I want to put a little bit of this on my wrist right now. Oh, I love the way this smells. I need to go ahead and break down and get me a bigger bottle of this. Okay, so I had that in there. I'm gonna put this stuff back. And then there's another little section right here. I just have some Shout Wipe to go. Then there's a zipper compartment, y'all. And in there, I just have a little bit of cash stuffed away in there. And then the other little section right here, I have just a little card that comes with this pouch, the Creativity Large Pouch in the color Lively Pink. Yay! And then up front section right here is my candy section. So I have some strawberries and cream Tic Tacs. So good. And then I have, excuse me y'all for eating these Tic Tacs in front of you like this. I have some mints, some gum, that type of thing. So that is all that I have in this pouch. Y'all, I went to go see the Barbie movie today. It was alright. It was alright. You know, kid friendly. Some borderline adult scenes. Not sexual or anything, but like the words. I don't want to give anything away in case you guys want to go and see it, but it was fun. It was alright. I'm glad I went to go see it. Now, let me say this about this bag as I pack her back up here. I really like the size of this bag. It's a little challenging for me because it's kind of small, but like I said, it's medium. My glasses case I'm going to put back in here. And, oh, let me show you the lining just in case you're not familiar with this bag. See the lining? I hope you guys can see all the little Barbies in there. But yeah, the movie was fun. A lot of people were dressed up in pink. It was like pink overload, you guys, and I loved it. I loved every second of it. So it was so fun. But this bag for me is a little, how can I say it, youthful. It's a very youthful bag. It's very, almost looks like something for, you know, like a young girl, 10-year-old or something, I don't know. But it will remain in my collection because I just think it's just so cute. It's like a little novelty bag. My wallet. It's just like a little novelty bag to me. So, and I just think it's so cute, and it's bringing back memories for me because I played with Barbie dolls a lot. Okay? I had the dream house. I had all kind of pieces. My mom said, I bought you so many things in Barbie that I don't want to go see that movie. So anyway, but it was cute, everybody. So if you stayed around to the end of this video, I highly appreciate it. And I just want to say to you guys, stay safe out there, and I'll see you again soon, okay? Bye.